Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. So today we're going to be continue on to the calls to service series in hopes to help get rid of that gap in YouTube of the lack of videos there are to do this kind of stuff. So today we're going to be doing ads. Ads themselves are not hard. Ads are hard because of the lack of information you receive from the desk. Desk could say respot, and in reality it's an ad. Now, there's a big difference between ads and respots. With respots, you'll come to it and it's on first ball. With ads, it's on second ball. Now, the reason you'd get an ad is the pin fell over, it, scissors are broke and it swept, or, for any reason why the pin isn't there. So it's not that the machine cycled and set a new rack, it's just that, one or two or something pins, they just fell over, they're gone. Okay? So for ads, the big difference is going to be that they are on second ball. If you walk to a machine, they call a respot. So you have an ad, right? And now, you walk, they call a respot, you come up to it, it's on second ball. No, it's not a respot, it's an ad. Ads are super simple. You take a pin, and whatever they told you to respot, with the machine off, take pin, just put it there. Done. That's an ad. Ads are super simple. More simple than just fucking respots. So, that's it. That's all you got for an ad. Ads are super, super simple. The only difference between ads and respots, ads are on second ball, respots are first ball. So, if you have any questions, please leave me comments below. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be appreciated. Someone will benefit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.